Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share this very simple and easy recipe on how to prepare French beans. It was my first time trying it and it tasted so good, even I was impressed. So let's get right into it.
I've been loving everything you are. Your eyes alone are the brightest stars. I could stand you all night, just drinking in your sunlight. Give me love tonight. You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. Can we love tonight? You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. Our dreams are where you'll find me. You're the only thing I see. Our dreams are where you'll find me. Your lips like galaxies.
I need to add a disclaimer though, I'm not a chef or anything of the sort. I pretty much scramble in the kitchen every single time. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, link me with your easiest recipes in the comments below, and click subscribe to stay tuned for more. Bye!